all, welcome to our channel LucidInklings. Hope you are all safe. Nowadays, with the constant increasing prices of healthcare in our country and with the ever-rising number of diseases, health insurance today is a necessity. It provides people with a much needed financial backup at times of medical emergencies. Along with it, we also get some good tax benefits. Now, let's have a look at it. Friends, the attractive part of 80D is you could get deduction up to 25,000 and it may end up till 1 lakh like 25,000, 50,000, 75,000 and 1 lakh. It all depends upon the people involved. And remember, section 80D is a separate section which is in addition to ATC. Now let's look into each category in detail. In this slide, I've introduced some few characters. Imagine all are below 60 years. First, let's look at you and your family. In that case, you'll get a maximum deduction of 25,000 if you have taken a health insurance on your family. In this section, family means self, spouse and dependent children. And the important clause here is actual insurance paid or 25,000. Whichever is less can be claimed as deduction. This clause applies to all the maximum limits I am mentioning in this slide. And the payment could be like either premium paid on health insurance or any contribution made to central government health schemes or any health schemes notified by central government. And the good news here is you could get an additional deduction of 25,000 in case if you have taken health insurance on your parents. Then let's see the next situation. Here, you and your family are within 60 years of age, but your parents are senior citizens. In that case, you will get a maximum deduction of 25,000 on your family insurance, whereas it is 50,000 in case of your parents. That is, for senior citizen, maximum deduction allowed is 50,000. Totally, you will get 75,000 as deduction. Imagine if you or your spouse is above 60 years, then you will get a separate deduction of 50,000. And in this case, definitely your parents will be super senior citizen. So for them also you will get 50,000 as deduction. Totally 1 lakh or actual insurance paid, whichever is less, can be claimed as deduction. To enjoy all the deductions I mentioned in the previous slides, there are few conditions to be fulfilled. This section is only applicable to resident individuals and HUF. In case of HUF, if any of the HUF members are above 60 years of age, they can claim maximum up to 50,000 as deduction. And mode of payment should be made other than cash. If payment is made through cash, then no deduction is allowable. Then preventive health checkup. 5,000 can be claimed as deduction under preventive health checkup, but it is within the limit of 50,000 or 25,000 as the case may be. And in any situation, if your parents could not get health insurance policies due to any risk factors, they could claim their medical expenses in a year up to an amount of 50,000. Then comes section 80DD. Deduction in respect of maintenance of dependent disabled. Again, this section is applicable only to individual and HUF. In case any of your family member is a disabled person and he or she is dependent on you, whatever expenses you incur on them can be claimed as deduction to some extent. And here family means spouse, children, parents, brother and sister. And any amount you incurred for medical treatment like nursing, training, etc. qualifies for deduction. And medical treatment also includes treatment for autism, cerebral palsy and multiple disabilities. Quantum of deduction possible is 1,25,000 in case of severe disability and 75,000 in other cases. For claiming this deduction, assessee shall have to furnish a certificate from medical authority. And 80DDB is all about deduction in respect of medical treatment. Medical treatment can be either on yourself or your family member. Here the family member includes a spouse, children, parents, brother or sister. And also this section is applicable only to individuals, that is a resident individual and HUF. And the maximum amount of deduction is actual amount paid or 40,000, whichever is less in case you're within 60 years of age, and it is actual amount paid or 1 lakh if you are a senior citizen. And even in this case you have to get a certificate from medical authority to claim this deduction. Hello friends, hope you had an informative session. If you feel so, share it to your friends straight away and stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. And thank you for your time. Bye.